Hello, fellow techies and friends. Welcome to ProER. Unless you are working from home permanently, the office is the place where you spend most of your time during the day. If you look closely, you spend about 40 hours a week, which is 25% of your time in your office. A large office with spacious cubicle may not be given to everybody, but with so many cool accessories on the market, you can try to make your desk very enjoyable and productive. Having a cozy and high-tech office equipped with cool desk gadgets isn't a dream anymore, because, in this video, you will see some of the must-have desk setup gadgets in every price range. These office desk gadgets are not only for software engineers or someone who is in the tech industry, but also for everyone from mechanical engineers to receptionists to designers to teachers. Number 6. Trio. Trio is an upgraded plug-and-play solution for a multiple monitor setup while you're on the go. You can opt for a dual screen to the left or right of your laptop monitor, or clip two trios together for a triple screen viewing experience. The possibilities are endless. Trio provides a full 270 degrees rotation, so you can choose your optimum viewing angle for any situation. When using two trios, rotate them 180 degrees to fold them into a triangle for presentation mode. Lighter than its predecessor, Trio has a more compact design for the increased ease and mobility you need to move from workspace to workspace. Simply plug Trio into your laptop, and you're ready to boost your productivity by up to 50%. To make it even easier, Trio uses only one cable for both power and data. Trio is compatible with any Mac, Linux, Chrome and Android device via USB connection. Trio's new geometric pattern design allows you to show off a little more personality, while its 1080p high-resolution display comes with an all-new adjustable brightness, so everything you see is crisp and clear. Plus, it's designed to reduce battery drain from your laptop. Number 5. Cubii JR1. An active life is beneficial to your body in ways that you may not expect. However, with busy work and home schedules, it's almost impossible to maintain a good workout routine. That's where Cubii seated elliptical machine comes in. The JR1 Underdesk Mini Elliptical Machine by Cubii is an amazing workout machine that can easily fit into your everyday schedule. With the ability to exercise from the comfort of your couch or as you work from your office desk, this is simply a machine that opens doors to new workout possibilities. The Cubii JR1 features an easy-to-read LCD monitor that displays your progress for easy tracking. Track your calories burned, distance traveled, rotations per minute, and active time. The Cubii JR1 is portable, and its frame includes a built-in handle. With this under-desk peddler, you can keep exercising for as much as you need throughout the day while you continue working. There are 8 resistance levels to switch from, making it easier to determine how easy or challenging you want your workouts to be. Its sleek, compact design fits in front of your favorite chair or couch, and under almost any desk or table. Each purchase includes a set of wheel stoppers to prevent your office chair from rolling while you pedal. Number 4. Ticktime. With more and more of us working remotely, it's more important than ever to make best use of our time. With Ticktime beside you on your home desk, you'll be able to squeeze every ounce of productivity out of every minute of the day you're working, and still have time for family and friends. This productivity gadget will help you with an extra focus you need to make the most of every minute of your day. Ticktime offers 3 ways to count time: preset countdown, customized countdown, and start to count. With preset countdown, you do not have to start the countdown again. You only need to flip it. For customized countdown, you have the freedom to set the time the way you want. That means you can do it manually. On the other hand, start to count allows you to start timing from 0 o'clock up to a maximum of 99:59. It has 6 preset timings. Just flip Ticktime so the time you want to count down is facing up. The timer starts automatically, so you won't waste a second and you'll get more out of every minute of every day. It starts and stops without you having to press a button. And it's totally portable. So wherever and whenever you need to keep track of time, Ticktime will be there. This brand new fun and functional timer assists you to be more efficient. Use your time more effectively. Do what needs doing in the time you've got. Every second is precious, and Ticktime helps you focus on what you're doing and get it done. Boost your productivity. Complete tasks in the time you've set aside for them. LED display promotes better experience of visual images and change the way you manage your time to make the most of every minute of every day. There is no motion delay on the screen. Ticktime has a magnetic side to stick to the fridge or any metal surfaces to leave you hands-free while keeping track of the time. Also, you can adjust the alarm volume to the appropriate level, including silent mode, to notify you in different situations. Ticktime is chargeable. No batteries are required. Simply plug in your phone charger to boost Ticktime's power. Save you tons of extra money to buy batteries and is environmental friendly. Stay tuned till the end and give the video a thumbs up while you also smash the subscription. Number 3, Townnew T1. Trash cans might not be an exciting thing, however, it plays a significant role near our desks. In one touch, the built-in thermoplastic sealing technology automatically seals the bag inside. All you have to do is grab the bag and toss it away. Please note that Townnew uses their own trash bags which come in the form of a refill ring. Each ring consists of several bags, say 25. This smart device also has the ability to self-change the bags when the older one is sealed. This makes the whole process of getting rid of your trash much easier. Whenever you take out the old bag for disposal, Townnew automatically inserts a new, empty bag in the bin. So, there is no manual work involved at all. The T1 Smart Trash Can is equipped with an inbuilt motion sensor that dismisses the need to touch the bin itself, making it a touchless trash can. Latest sensor technology will detect movement and approaching objects from the distance of up to 35 centimeters and pop the lid up automatically and helps in minimizing the spread of harmful pathogens. The Townnew T1 has an anti-slip and tilt base, engineered to avoid the trash can from slipping or falling over and spill all that smelly garbage juice on your floor. Number 2, Air Omni. Experience charging like never before with Air Omni, a 6-in-1 wireless charging station for all your Apple and Android devices. It is made of aramid fiber with a carbon fiber look, is very lightweight and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you have an Android or an Apple device, the Air Omni's unique adapter toggle has you covered. Simply press the button to easily switch between the Lightning or Type-C connectors. The Air Omni uses an advanced chain coil charging pad design. This ensures your devices will always charge wirelessly, regardless of where they are placed on the surface. The featured Apple Watch pop-up charger can charge your smartwatch both flat or upright with the push of a button. Equipped with an LED illuminated side drawer, the Air Omni keeps personal items such as jewelry and SIM cards safe while on the road. Weighing just over 1.8 pounds, 830 grams, the Air Omni easily fits into any bag for easy travel storage. A travel pouch is available to keep your Air Omni pristine wherever you may roam. Buying a separate charger for each of your devices can be well over $300, not to mention the cost of regularly replacing old power cables. The Air Omni saves you money, time, and space by covering all your charging needs on a single portable pad. Number 1. Fidget Cube. It's not uncommon to hear fidgeting being spoken about negatively. It's often labeled as unprofessional and deemed as anti-intellectual behavior. Fidget Cube is an unusually addicting, high-quality desk toy designed to help you focus. Fidget at work, in class, and at home in style. No need to click that pen anymore. You'll find 3 clicker buttons and 2 silenced buttons on this side designed to satisfy the clicker in each of us. Fidget Cube has 6 sides. Each side features something to fidget with: click, glide, flip, breathe, roll, and spin. You can do your fidgeting without disturbing others. Moreover, it is easy to carry and costs just $10. It offers numerous ways to satisfy your fidgeting impulses, with features that range from totally silent, like the breathe side, all the way to others that give a satisfyingly tactile and audible response, like the click side. Fidget Cube collectibles feature a character likeness, which also doubles as the spin side of the cube. Build your collection and display the entire Marvel Fidget Cube series. With a variety of colorways to choose from: dyes, graphite, midnight, aqua, sunset, berry, fresh, retro, you can find the one that matches your style. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the videos and contents, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.